Hello, this is episode 5 for my Python series for the 20 time project, and today we're going to be talking about something that'll be very special that you can use in Python. If you have taken algebra, then you'll know that variables are places to store information so that you can use it for later. An example of a variable would be something like x equals 2 or something like that, and everything that is x is equal to 2, or is the equivalent to 2. Python uses them in the same way. For an example like this, with x equals 2, you could actually print out x. What this will do is it'll convert whatever x is in the print function, which is what we learned a long time ago, and it's going to print 2 because x is equivalent to 2, and because we printed out x, we basically printed out 2. We can use this in different ways by typing out something like name equals Finn with quotes around it because it has to be a string or a number. You can't just write something like name equals Finn, or else it's going to give you an error message. Now that we have this variable, name equals Finn, we can now type out something like print quotes, or actually we can type out just print name. And what that is going to do is it's going to do Finn. Now, something that you can do with, there are some different things that you can use with your variables, some code that can be very special with your variable, and one of them is you write out the name of the variable, dot lower, and then 2 brackets around it. So the name of the variable that we're going to be using is name, which is Finn from before, and dot lower with parentheses around it. And what this is going to do is it's going to change all of the different letters in Finn to lowercase. So now you can see that Finn is now lowercase over here. Another one is variable dot is lower. Now, we're not talking about if statements just yet, but if we were to use this, then it's going to give us true or false is lower. And that means if the entire variable is lowercase, then it's going to give us true. If not, then it's going to give us false. If we do create another variable, something like y equals Finn with lowercase, and then we can type out y dot lower, then you can see that it's not going to do anything. But if we type something like y is lower, parentheses, then we're going to get true. A third one which we can use is len, which is going to type out, or len parentheses, and then the variable. Or maybe I just don't know how to use it yet. I'll talk about it in another episode once I finally fully understand it, but there is definitely going to be another episode based on variables because there are a ton of different code like this that you can do with it. So I'll talk to you in the next episode. See ya.